Hey guys, so I've got this picture of Paris and I want some text in here, but I want just the outline of the text. I don't want the text to have any fill to it. There's two different ways to do it, but both start with adding some text basically. Let's reset this, space them out a little bit. Then we need to bump up the size. That's already at the maximum, so we'll just press up until that's a decent size. Yeah, that'll do. Right, let's change this to black so we can see it. There we go. Now, there's two different ways that we can do this, okay? We'll change it to white first. Go grey. Because I want to make the outline black. So, there's two different ways to do it. You can either select the text. So we'll go with that first. We want Magic Wand tool. And we want contiguous off. Then we're going to go to select, modify and expand, and we'll expand that by 20 pixels. Okay, so that's expanded the selection basically. So we want to hide that, create a new layer, and there's our selection still. We're going to fill that with black because that's what we want our outline to be. And we'll just colour inside there. Then we're going to go back to the text layer. We're going to select the text again. We're going to go back, we'll hide the text layer, go back to the outline layer and press delete, and there is our outline with transparent middle. But there is another way you can do this. So we'll go back to the text layer, we'll go down to the effects, go to stroke, and there's our outline. So we just increase the size that way. But then how do you make it transparent? Right. Well, that's easy. Right, so we'll finish there. Now you can turn down the opacity, but that turns down the opacity for the stroke or the outline as well. Let's change it white. So you can change down the opacity again, but again it's going to get rid of that stroke. So instead we're going to go to fill. Now this is going to change the opacity of that first text layer, but as you can see it's going to keep the opacity of everything below that, so all of the effects that are part of that layer, they're going to be safe. So that's with the fill tool. Okay, that's the two different ways. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button. If you want to subscribe, then please subscribe. Bye.